Today is day 7 of Operation Blue Thames. It's an ongoing operation to make Western BCU as hostile as possible to drug supply, particularly those coming in through the county line feature, which is people crossing over from one area of the UK to another in order to sell Class A drugs. Today has been yet another successful day. 4 warrants. We've got the people in that we need to get in, and obviously we're still looking for other individuals as the operation progresses. As part of Operation Blue Thames, we're also looking at other offences that go hand in glove with this type of activity, most notably human trafficking, child sexual exploitation and the exploitation of other vulnerable individuals. People will have seen the media campaigns that we've conducted all throughout this period, which go in partnership with the Crime Stoppers Fearless campaign aimed at young individuals. And we're asking the public if they can keep their eyes open and obviously inform us of any individuals or any activity that they feel is suspicious linked to drug activity, such as individuals cuckooing, which, as you know, is when they take over a vulnerable person's address. So if there's any strangers, any unwarranted activity, any suspicious activity, please call the police. Let us know and we'll look into it.